course, China has a huge role to play there as well as such a big, massive powerhouse as well in data, innovation and technology. Yuanzi, you work at Wise Road Capital, so you have a lot of wisdom to share. I would like to ask, which are some of the countries in this part of the world where you see that there will be an emerging technology trend where we should keep an eye on in terms of really shaping the future of technology and innovation?
Thank you. Right, because we are doing quite some cross-border transactions and also kind of domestic transaction in China. I think based on our observations, I think even the events today is a kind of a testimony of the, say, I think we characterize that as, say, globalization, localization, maybe we say globalization, right, in a way. Say, I think in that sense, I think that will be the things. We have a lot of local contents for any technology nowadays compared to the old days, right? For the globalization, you do the manufacturing, maybe you are using some materials, doesn't matter, from different companies, different countries. But nowadays, right, for AI, for all the digitalization, all the driver of the stuff will be lots of the thing will be the local things. So in a way, so we can see that, in other than the developed markets, right? So I think, the ASEAN areas, the kind of MENA areas, they're all kind of see a really, really booming kind of technology height in a way to say they all have some kind of, making what we call the smile curves, right? Yeah. So they have, are more and more on the technology contents, right? More and more the consumption side, and also more and more the down-to-earth kind of the manufacturing technology stuff like that. So in that way, our sense is to say it's really booming globally in each of the local areas, right, in a way. Right.
That's a very important point, is a glocalization strategy, because of course we've seen the Chinese government also with the go global strategy, right? A lot of Chinese companies going out, but at the same time now post-COVID, we see that there is a lot of need to really also integrate and go local and really work with local stakeholders and do business together.